Today, we're making slime using drunk goggles. Anna and Aaron are gonna compete in 5 challenges to see who is the true slime queen. Anna and Aaron, put on your goggles.
Whoa, oh no.
This is so weird.
This is so much worse than I expected.
Your first challenge is to match the color of this slime. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. No.
Oh my goodness, this is way harder than I expected.
Wait, I need the screen.
Dude, I'm seeing double of everything. I literally have to get this close to see the color of it.
Okay, this looks like a minty shade. I think it needs, what is this? Forest green.
Going into this, I was like, this isn't gonna be a big deal. I could do this with my eyes closed. I think maybe I would rather do this with my eyes closed, actually.
Everything looks like blue and yellow. This is so strange.
Wait, so you're saying it's blending the colors?
I'm saying like all the edges, like everything looks
Everything's
kind of
covered in a rainbow.
Anyways.
Everything's colored in a rainbow?
Everything, no, yeah, there's a rainbow on everything.
Yeah, there's
What
like
are you talking about?
like
There's so many Christians right there.
there's like a rainbow like outer layer. What's
You
the
guys
time?
have 2 more minutes.
Two more minutes. Okay.
So far, whoa,
quiet?
yours looks pretty close.
Quiet.
Don't tell me that. It's way too green.
Oh, your hands.
I don't have hands. I can't see them.
That's a bold strategy.
They're not
Whoa.
real.
Also, I'm
Oh my
getting super
gosh.
dizzy. Are you also dizzy, Aaron?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm hosting and you're doing the
That's
challenge.
because you get car sick. I get way more car
Oh, I
sick.
added too much.
No,
Yes. Can I do that? Can I
30
just take a chunk
seconds.
out?
30 seconds. I'm gonna take a step back. Oh, what are you doing, Aaron?
Gotta work fast.
Don't judge my process. I can't see anything, dude.
I don't think we're anywhere near the color. This looks like a giant yellow blob.
Her looks a lot closer than
I
mine.
can't tell.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. No more.
I'm so dizzy.
All right, goggles off, goggles off. I don't even think I have to judge. Aaron, yours is way too saturated, too much yellow. It looks like the earth. And Anna, yours is basically dang near identical. So Anna, you win this round.
Let's go!
Our next challenge is that you guys are gonna have 10 minutes to recreate this slime. 3, 2, 1, go.
What does this even look like?
Don't destroy it. Don't destroy it. Hey, don't destroy that slime.
Am I good? Can I go?
Good luck. Don't hurt yourself.
Oh my god, this is so hard. I can't. I feel like I'm gonna run into everything. Get out of here.
Stop. There's not even a care. Oh. Hey, Anna, what the heck?
I need some too. What the heck?
Yeah, give me a second. We'll take turns.
There's no turns in this game.
Okay, we got the base.
Might as well go get our charms, right? I almost ran into that door.
That looks like teal. Ah, no.
Okay, so I saw there was like a heart, a little heart charm. I'm so dizzy. You guys don't understand how crazy this feels. Oh, here it is. All right, we got it. Okay, let's go.
This is the wrong pink pigment. Do we have another pink pigment? Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so smart. I can't let Anna see it.
I feel like I'm just gonna fall. All right, we need the dye. It's like blue. Where's the light blue?
Dude, I can't see anything.
Okay, sky blue. We need neon. Neon. Okay. All right, it's time to get to work. Aaron, how are you feeling? Are you dizzy?
Pretty bad. I got the wrong color.
Why are you turning around? Are you cheating or something? Oh, that is super bright.
It's the wrong color. Don't look at it.
One thing I've realized today during this challenge is that Erin doesn't know her colors very well.
Why is this so green? Okay, let's go back. Teal? Teal. Okay, okay. Oh.
What's it looking like? Can't see anything. How's it going?
It's pretty bad. I'm having a bad time. I don't like people in my personal space right now.
All right, you guys got 5 more minutes.
5 more
5 minutes.
Wait, this looks good. This looks good. Let's move on to the blue. We don't have a lot of time.
Moss teal. Come on, be teal. I'm getting nervous. I don't know why this.
Aaron, I got the wrong color.
No, that looks exactly right, dude.
doesn't. You're lying to
Mine
me.
looks so wrong.
No, dude, yours is literally like it.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
I can't believe I messed it up. I don't have much time.
Okay, we're doing good. I think I threw her off my scent a little bit because I feel like I might be doing things correctly, but I'm not really sure. Oh gosh, I messed that up, okay.
I wish you guys knew how this felt. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Hey, Aaron, can I have some of your dye?
Yeah,
Where is it?
this one here.
She's purposely trying to make me fail. Where is it? Come on, hurry.
Leave me alone. It's not my job to help you. Here you go. Am I a bad friend? I think I might be a bad friend. I spent my whole life trying to be the best friend I could possibly be.
I don't know what to do. You know what? Let's get creative. Let's just use both. This is totally wrong. I can feel it.
Rainbow glitter, red stars, blue hearts. That's all I can remember right now. Let's go get it. Okay.
Hey, put that over this.
Oh, the world is so big and scary. Rainbow glitter. This is still the wrong glitter. Whatever. Where the heck are the blue hearts?
Yes, I'm not gonna bring the whole bag because I don't want to have leftovers. You know what I mean? All right, I think we achieved the perfect color. Now all we have to do is get the right twist. You know, that's where we can really mess things up. That's where I mess things up usually.
This is unopened, which makes me think that Anna didn't get it. Okay, I think I got enough and then I'll come back for more if I need more.
All right, let's add our charm. And then it looks like there's some other little charms and sprinkles in there that I am missing in a blue heart. Dang it. Okay, let's go get all of that.
How does this hers look so good? It looks exactly like it. How did she do that? This is the wrong glitter, and I know that, but Christian doesn't know that.
I just heard Erin say that she got the wrong glitter. Hopefully I don't have the wrong glitter. Let's go. 1 minute. Okay, we have 1 minute. Gotta work fast. Okay, some of those in there, nice. And then there were some of these, and then there was like a blue heart, right? Like a blue heart somewhere. Blue heart. I think we're gonna win. There's no way we're not gonna win. Look at that. It's beautiful.
I got so much weird dye all over everything. Okay, I have my blue heart, and then I had another charm, didn't I? Well, she freaking took it with her? How was that allowed? Wait, she should be disqualified.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we got going on?
She stole the charm, so I can't see which one it is.
Well, she is coming back. You know what?
Erin!
Because of that, I will give you 30.
2 extra minutes. 3 extra minutes?
I'll give you an extra 30 seconds.
4 extra minutes? Okay.
She's getting extra time.
Can I see the charm that you took?
No.
The charm that
It's right here, it's right here.
You gave me the wrong dice.
Oh, you scammer.
My bad.
You scammer. All right, y'all got 1 minute.
I heard you say you were gonna give her 30 more
1
seconds.
minute left
That's
for
unfair.
both of you.
Okay,
you
let's
scammer.
go back and find. No, I'm not a scammer. I didn't know it was there.
She gave me the wrong dice too. So I would never do that to her. Oh, I'm missing some stuff. I should use my time wisely. Wait, no, she's missing something. We're both missing something. I have time. Let's go get it. Okay. Are these? You see that? You see that? I got it. I got it. Let's go.
All right. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. No more. It's time to judge now, and now let's look at Anna's. So you definitely have the charms. Your swirl on top is a little fugly, if I'm being honest.
So rude.
Oh, they aren't the charms. Yeah, I'm being pointed out that they are not the charms.
Hey, Erin, it's some of them.
It's some of them. And then Erin's looks, you definitely got the
There's
blue.
a hair on it.
I don't care about that. I care about the color. So she matched the
zoom in on
blue
this.
very good. The pink is exactly the same. She's got the same charms, and presentation is overall better. So I'm gonna give this round to Erin. That ties it up 1-1. On to the next round. Next, we're gonna see who can make the biggest slime bubble. Erin, you're up first.
Oh gosh.
Let's go, Erin.
Really hard. I can't even see the slime. How am I supposed to do this?
Please.
Slime bubble be on my side.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Oh my!
That's
Pretty
pretty
big.
good.
I guess. I could do better.
Okay, Anna, you're up next. Let's see how you can do it, Anna.
Let's go.
Come on. You got it. Yeah.
Oh. Anna, you get 2 more attempts to see if you can make a bigger bubble than Erin. No pressure.
We just gotta get more slime this time.
Okay,
was pretty good.
It's
only
pretty good.
slightly
It's pretty
smaller.
good,
Hey,
but
but
it's
the shape, it's like a perfect bubble. You
It's
see?
only a bit.
It's not shape.
actually about half
We're
the
going
size.
for size. So you
About
have
half the
1
size.
more attempt, Anna.
it's about
Can you
the-
make a bigger slime bubble?
I believe in you. I know you're possible of amazingly large bubbles.
I mean, Erin, you set the bar high.
I did do that. Oh, that was big, right?
That was a good attempt, but I think Erin still had the bigger slime bubble. So now it's 2-1. For this next round, I put 5 Peachy Baby slimes on this table. With your drunk goggles on, you guys are gonna have to guess the names of these slimes. Whoever gets the most correct wins. 3, 2, 1, go.
I have no idea what this is.
I can't see.
There's like, I don't even know how many there are.
There's 5.
There's no way to see that far.
It's like really bad.
All right, you guys can't cross the front of the table because we didn't realize how hard it would be.
All I see is a pink blob. I cannot make out what that is at all. What the heck is that?
Oh, okay, I don't know about these two.
There's a term on that I've never even seen.
Okay, I just need 1 more.
What?
Hey.
I don't know what it is.
No.
All right.
No, you don't.
10,
No,
9,
no.
8,
Ah!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey,
That's cheating.
All right, that's it. Round's over. Since you guys were cheating, now take your goggles off and let's compare your answers. Aaron, let's see what you got.
Right.
Lavender cow is correct. Mermaid shell crunch is correct. Lavender axolotl is correct too. And girly pop is not on there, so that is 3 points. Now Anna, you need 3 more to win. So lavender axolotl is correct. Sleepy crunch, that's not even a slime that we have. Baby axolotl, mermaid crunch, and lavender cow. So that is 4. So that means Anna, you now won, and it's tied 2-2 going into the final round. For the final round, you guys are gonna have 5 minutes to make me a panda themed slime. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
All right, I already have a really good idea. I'm gonna make a slime called Bamboo Paradise. We're gonna go with a little bit of clear for the water. It's gonna be inspired by their beautiful habitat and some cloud dough. We got our slimes. Let's go set them on the table.
Back to cloud dough, because that's by far the easiest thing to work with for the most part, I think. I'm gonna leave this right here and go to Charmville.
Okay, so we're gonna get a really rich green for the cloud dough. Very rich, inspired by all of the wonderful bamboo. A little bit of that, a little bit of forest green. You guys know how much I love my animals. So honestly, this is a really fun theme. Let's give it a mix.
Where are the animals? They're over here. Panda, panda. Okay, this way. I would like some sort of nature for the panda to be with. I feel like that's good enough, honestly. I think that's it. Only 5 minutes, that's really not a lot of time.
That's good. This is a good green. For the water, I know Aaron had some turquoise over here. Let's add a little bit of that. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. We're off to a good start. Let's go to Charmville. You didn't see that.
Oh gosh, that sounded pretty bad. So this is gonna be a pretty basic, boring slime, so I might lose for that, but I feel like if Christian can see past the basicness of this slime and understand the creativity hidden underneath, I think I'll have a chance. Some black paint. Oh, okay, well that's not supposed to happen. It's fine, everything's fine. Everybody calm down, it's gonna be okay.
We need the leaves, right? We have a ton of really nice leaves. We gotta make it tropical. A little bit of that, a little bit of that. A little bit of this, why not? Let's go find our panda. Panda! Something's telling me it's right here. Oh yeah, he has a friend. Let's add 2. We gotta be efficient, so I'm just gonna get a pre-made sprinkle mix. That's my go-to. This looks good, right? Are those bananas? It's a snack. It's a snack. Okay, let's go.
You see the vision? It's pretty cute, right? Another little panda ear, some cute little panda eyes.
Okay, so it's gonna be kind of like an oasis. I want it to look like a trippy looking mountain. The little ocean. He goes down there and swims. He has a really good time. Behind the mountain lives a wonderful little jungle. They climb the trees, they make their way to the jungle, and that's where they have their little holidays. They spend their holiday season there.
This is where it gets tricky. I need to make him cute, or else I think I'll lose points for it being scary. I really can't see what I'm doing at all right now. No, it's ugly. Help.
You guys got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds.
Okay, one of our pandas is taking a little
Actually, I
dip.
lied, and it's 10 seconds
There's our
now.
other panda friend.
5,
Behind the
4, 3,
Look at that.
2,
That is gorgeous.
That's
1.
as good as it's gonna get.
That's it. Hands off slime. Let's take a look at their slimes. Let's look at Anna's first. So I personally love the fact that you made some water here. I even like that it's kind of waterfalling over here.
Yeah, there's some mountains.
It gives me
in the
like
back.
very big Minecraft vibes, which I love. And then you definitely have the panda charm in there. I love this one. I think this one is super, super cute. And I think when you mix it together, it's gonna turn to a really nice color. So that's pretty good.
Thank you.
And then we have Aaron's. And so Aaron, you made a like face out of a panda, correct?
Yeah, it's like a 2-part DIY kit.
I love the creativity. I think the creativity level is like a 10 out of 10. The only thing that I really do not like about it is that this just feels like a base on the bottom. That's my biggest gripe with it. I love the top, I love the creativity, I love how dark the slime is, but this to me just feels like you just put this on here and then just slapped it on and didn't come up. Like if maybe a swirl, but I get it with the theming, it's kind of tough. This is a really tough decision. I mean, they're both fantastic slimes that I could even see being sold in the shop. But after final consideration, give me a drum roll, please. Come on. I'm going to pick